Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the generic Bluetooth radio and checking LEDs for normal status. Once done, verify and, if needed, update firmware to a supported release. This prevents protocol mismatches. Make sure to back up the existing configuration to external storage before changes. Next, enable the radio module and set the regulatory domain and 4 GHz channel range to match local rules. You're doing this now so later pairing and scanning behave predictably and comply with transmission limits. You perform an active scan to collect device addresses, RSSI, and advertising intervals so you can select the strongest and most reliable peer. Once identified, initiate pairing and pick LA versus BR/EDR based on required throughput and range. This choice affects power and latency. Then configure connection parameters, interval, latency, and supervision timeout to balance responsiveness against battery life. Finally, enable secure bonding and exchange keys now so reconnection is seamless and authentic. You finish by saving the new Bluetooth settings into non-volatile memory and rebooting to validate auto-connect behavior. After restart, run functional tests like a small file transfer, audio stream check, and a latency plus error rate pass to confirm stability. If something breaks, consult logs first to find pairing or link layer errors, then reset the problematic pairing and re-establish with fresh keys. Make sure to verify antenna connections and firmware compatibility, and try an alternate channel if interference persists.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.